right, now that we have our Cadbury eggs in our egg carton, I'm gonna add some strawberries right across from them, and I just cut my strawberries directly in half because I think that just is a beautiful presentation for this easy Easter appetizer. Now you can use whatever fruit you like. I just love strawberries and they look nice and fresh at this grocery store. So we're gonna go ahead and get some strawberries in each of our egg cartons. Now I'm coming in with my Italian herb crackers, and these are some smaller crackers. We're gonna place a couple of these right here into our egg carton, just like so. And just like with the fruit, you could do whatever cracker you like. You could even do a pretzel, but we're just gonna go ahead and get these all into our egg cartons. Now that we have our crackers in here, we're gonna go ahead and add some cheese. And I have these super cute brie bites. And I'm gonna come in with my mini egg cookie cutter, and we're gonna go ahead and cut out a partial piece of our brie, just like so. And we're gonna do that on both sides of our brie for about half of the ones that we have purchased. All right, let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, we cut out ears for our brie, and we need to make sure that these get connected to our head. So I'm gonna use some toothpicks. We're gonna stuff that in there and then stuff our ear on. And we're gonna do that to our other ear so that we can have some little bunnies. So we're gonna go ahead and do that with all of our brie. All right, and I'm gonna turn these bunnies towards me because I have my edible food marker, and we are gonna make little faces for our bunny. All right, these are ready to be added to our egg cartons, and we're gonna carefully place them right here. Make sure to angle it up so everyone can see our sweet little bunny. And we're gonna place one in each egg carton, just like so. Now that we have our bunnies in place, we're gonna come in with some salami because we do need some meat to go with that cheese and crackers, but we are gonna make something extra cute with our salami. We're gonna grab a few slices to start with, and we're gonna grab our salami, fold it in half, and then we're gonna grab another salami and add it halfway, fold it in half again, right into each other, just like so. And once we have about 4 pieces of salami, we're gonna kind of just really smush that down. Don't worry, my hands are clean. And now it is time to roll our salami, just like so. And then we have a beautiful salami rose. And then this is gonna go right into our egg carton just like so, and it will hold into place. So let's make one for each carton. We're gonna place our last salami rose in here. And of course we have one more little egg section to fill, and what better than to use some pickles. So we're gonna place a couple of our mini pickles right in there. Look how cute, but we're not done yet, okay? We have one more thing to really tie everything together, and that is some baby dill. This is just gonna add some nice greenery to this. We are just gonna kind of pop it right behind our crackers and maybe a little bit by our rose salami, just to really tie everything together and make it feel Easter. All right, and that is it. Now you can be the hostess with the mostest with these super cute charcuterie egg cartons for Easter. These are absolutely adorable, and I cannot wait for my guests to chow down.